I got into welding because my brother is a welder.
I first started whenever I took my ag class in 10th grade, and there was just like an intro into it, and we just had to try it. Then the next year I took the actual welding class, and it just, I don't know, I liked it. I just kept doing it.
Welding is using electricity to basically penetrate metal and fuse two pieces together. Welding can be very difficult. There's a bunch of different things that go into play whenever you are trying to weld.
Kind of like an art to it. You have to practice at it to get good. It can be difficult, but if you get good at it, it's pretty easy.
Last year, I built these really big pins for our show team that goes to Oklahoma City every year, and then we built a really big greenhouse.
I think welding is very useful in if you want to take it into a career, or just sometimes you need to do it at home or something. It's a good skill to have.
Cool things you can do when you're welding is make different big projects, build things, stuff like that, fix things. You don't got to pay anybody to do it.
I like how hands-on it is and how much we get to actually work on things. We get to learn how to use all the tools and stuff. Pretty much every day we get to go out and work on something. If you don't get good at it at first, it might make you mad, but just keep working at it and you'll get better at it.
I do enjoy welding. It's very fun and it can eventually make a lot of money.